Welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. Dokla, patra, methi ki mithia, kanvi and such other healthy snacks from Gujarat which you would love to add to your diet. Handvo is one such item, a spongy treat made with a combination of rice, dal and vegetables. The ingredients are white rice or brown rice or millets 1.5 cup, chana dal half cup, masoor dal quarter cup, tur dal quarter cup, urad dal quarter cup, moong dal quarter cup, grated cabbage 1 cup, grated bottle gourd 1 cup, grated carrot 1 cup, curd half cup, hing quarter spoon, chili and ginger paste half spoon, pepper powder quarter spoon, cashew nuts 2 tablespoons, chopped coriander, salt as per the requirement, turmeric quarter spoon, sugar 1 tablespoon, till 1 spoon, mustard 1 spoon, chopped curry leaves. Ingredients for curd chutney: curd 1 cup, salt as per the requirement, sugar as per your taste, mint and coriander leaves half cup, jeera powder half spoon, dhania powder half spoon. For the chutney, grind all the ingredients in a jar. Soak all the dals, grind by adding half cup of curd and sufficient water. Ferment the batter and the consistency should be similar to this. Now add all the ingredients to the batter excluding till, mustard and curry leaves. For one handvo, take 3 serving spoons of batter and add cooking soda to it. Heat a deep kadai, add oil, till, mustard, hing and curry leaves. Pour the batter in a thick layer, fry it in a low flame and close the lid. After 4 to 5 minutes, flip the handvo and fry the other side, continue in low flame. Yummy and tasty handvo with curd chutney is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.